Hello, my lovely. It's Anna, and today we will simplify a very interesting question. We have this fraction to simplify. It looks complicated, but don't worry. We can solve it using algebra formula very easily. First, we will make it little small. 11.96 cubed plus 7.04 cubed by 11.96 square minus 11.96 times 7.04 plus 7.04 square. If you will multiply 11.96 and 7.04, you will get 84.1984. Let's check it into a calculator. You may notice that the one fraction matches the identity for the sum of cubes. A cubed plus B cubed equals A plus B times A square minus AB plus B square. Now you can see the denominator and the part of the numerator are the same. We are left with 11.96 plus 7.04 and their sum is equal to 19. So the final answer is 19. If you already understood the question, then solve this question and give your answer in the comment box.